بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
قل أعوذ برب الناس.
Say, I seek refuge in the Lord of mankind,
ملك الناس.
the sovereign of mankind,
إله الناس.
the God of mankind,
من شر الوسواس الخناس.
from the evil of the retreating whisperer,
الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس.
who whispers evil into the breasts of mankind,
من الجنة والناس.
from among the jinn and mankind.
हमें बढ़ते रहना है, दिल लगा के पढ़ना है, इस मुल्क की खातिर हमें सब कुछ करना है। मुझे अपने हुनर पे है अब जो चाहूँ पाऊंगा जरूर, करता हूँ मोहब्बत इल्म से, उस्तादों पे है मुझे गरूर। The Smart School, ये मेरा स्कूल है। The Smart School, हम सबका स्कूल है। The Smart School, ये मेरा स्कूल है। The Smart School, हम सबका स्कूल है।
For admissions, visit the Smart School near you or visit www.thesmartschools.edu.pk. The Smart School, a project of the City School.
Okay, my dear student, Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you all? Hopefully you are fine and fit and you are doing your work properly. Am I right? Very good. So let's start singing our day's poem. Let's start singing. Head and shoulder, knees and toe. Day by we are grow. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Saturday, Sunday are holidays. Tell me, how many days in a week? There are 7 days in 1 week. There are 7 days in 1 week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Saturday, Sunday are holidays. Okay, let's start our working. So what we should first? We should write the date, day, and talk about the weather and also talk about the season. Okay, let's tell me what date is today. Today is, yesterday was 22 of June, and today is 23rd June 2020. Write down the date. So date is 23rd June 2020. 23rd June 2020. Could you tell me the day? Yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. What is the spelling? Tuesday. Tuesday. Day. Tuesday. Tuesday. Let's tell me the weather. Day. Look outside from the window. You can see a bright sun on the sky. So it's mean the day is sunny day. The day is sunny day. How's weather? Summer season. Which season is going on? 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 Summer season. Okay, that was the information about date, day and weather. You know why I'm telling you on daily basis? Because you have to write the date and day on your workbooks. Okay, before starting work you have to write date, day on your notebooks and your workbooks. Okay, so let's move towards our study. Today our GK topic is shapes. Today our GK topic is shapes. Write down the topic here. Today our GK topic is shapes. Our GK topic is shapes. Now I will show some shapes. Look them carefully and tell me the name of these shapes. Okay? Okay, my dear students. Do you know what is this? It has 4 equal lines and 4 corners. What is this? This is square. This is square. ये कौन सी shape है? It's square. It's square. Okay. Let's look at this. It has 3 lines and 3 corners. What is this? Triangle. What is this? Triangle. What is this? Triangle. It has no corner. It has no corner. It's round and round. What shape is this? It's circle. What is this? Circle. Look at this. It has 2 long lines and 2 short lines. Okay, and 4 corners. What is this? Rectangle. What is this? Rectangle. Okay, square, triangle, circle, rectangle. These are the 4 shapes. Square, triangle, circle, rectangle. These are the 4 shapes. What are these? These are the 4 shapes. These are the 4 shapes. Now I'll draw these shapes on board and you will guess the name of these shapes. Okay, tell me which shape is this? Could you see the 4 equal lines? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corner. It's square. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. It's square. What is this? It's square. Now I'm going to draw triangle. What is this? Triangle. What is this? Triangle. It has 3 corners and 3 lines. It has 3 corners and 3 lines. Square, triangle, square, triangle, square, triangle. Now I have a shape. It has, it's going a little bit wrong. It has no corner. It has no corner. We call it circle. We call it circle. Square, triangle, circle. 4 equal lines. 4 corners. Square. Now move and check. Nearest you, okay, around yourself, could you find the square shaped things? If you can find, then tell me in comments, right? And now find out things in triangle in your home. Okay, if you find the triangle shaped things, then tell me in comments. And find out the things in circle. Okay, tell me the name in comments. Now our last shape, it is rectangle. It is rectangle. Square, 4 equal lines, 4 corners. Triangle, 3 equal lines, 3 corners. It's round and round, no corners. Circle. It has 2 long lines and 2 short lines. Rectangle. Find out the things. Shape rectangle, right? So this is all about shapes. This is all about shapes. Find out these shapes at your home and learn the name of these shapes. Whenever you come to school, I'll show the flashcard of this shape and ask to you that what shape is this. Also, I can ask to you that tell me the shape of our school door, tell me the shape of Cooler's lid. Tell me the shape of your chair. Tell me the shape of your table. You have to know about the shapes. All right? आपको सब shapes के बारे में पता होना चाहिए. So remember the name of, memorize the name of these shapes. Square, triangle, circle, rectangle. Square, triangle, circle, rectangle. It was our GK work. Now it's over. Okay.